zombie striker. Pretty much, this is easy gun. There's a trigger here. There's switch if there's no ammo there. I don't know why this is for. I think this is for like hanging out. Yeah, I don't care. And you have it all like 12 bullets. It's pretty good for Nerf gun to hold. From Nerf gun have the most. And trigger rate, simple as that. Strong arm. And you press the button trigger. So pretty much this is what it is. And if you don't like Nerf guns, then you should start liking it because they're a very good kinds of Nerf guns. The first Nerf gun is very rare to find. It's not even called Nerf, I think. Is it? And I have to show my brother because he tried to show the peace sign. Sorry though, bro. I told my brother in my third video showing Nerf guns. So anyways, guys, subscribe to Nerf Guns channel and subscribe to my channel and freaking zombie again.